If you want your Telegram messages to automatically disappear after a day, you're in the right place. This feature is perfect if you value privacy or simply want to keep your chats clutter-free without manually deleting anything. Let's walk through how to set it up step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main screen where your chats are visible. Next, look for the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on it to open the sidebar. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your account, including privacy options and message behavior. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains important controls that help you manage how your data and conversations are handled. Now scroll until you see the option labeled Auto Delete Messages. Tap on it to open the Auto Delete settings. Inside this section, you'll find something called the Self-Destruct timer. This is where you decide how long messages stay before they're automatically removed. Select the option that says After 1 day. Once you choose this, Telegram will automatically delete messages in your chats after 24 hours, helping you maintain a cleaner and more private conversation history. That's it. You've successfully enabled auto-delete for your messages. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your chats and protect your privacy. If you found this helpful, you might want to explore other privacy settings in Telegram to further customize your experience.